Hey y'all, it's Shakira Quest. Today I did a silk press on my natural hair. If you want to see how I got it, keep on watching. Hello y'all again. So to start, this is how my hair is looking. To start, I'm going to use this mister bottle that I got from Sally's, and I'm just going to damp my hair so I can begin my deep condition. So I'm going to try a DIY deep conditioner, and all you need is extra virgin olive oil, mayo, honey, 2 eggs, a bowl, and something to mix it with. First use this deep conditioner. It feels so good in my hair. I'm doing it again. So I'm making sure that I'm detangling as well. And then I am doing this in 4 sections because that is what's easiest for me. Once I've completed coated my hair, I'm going to twist them up into 2 single twists. Then I'm going to place my hair in a shower cap, and then I would use a heated towel that I put in a dryer and wrap my hair with it. So after that, I will leave this towel on for a minimum of 30 minutes. So within this silk press, I am using Treseme's line of the Keratin Smooth, the shampoo, conditioner, as well as the heat protectant. I wasn't a big fan of the shampoo as it made my hair feel really dry afterwards. With the conditioner, I did go ahead and use a lot of it. I even went in twice with it just to make sure that my hair was hydrated. It wasn't a bad conditioner, but it wasn't the best conditioner, but it worked for the job. Overall, I was a little impressed of how it treated my curls, just knowing that it's not really a natural hair product. So once my hair is completely washed out, I'm going to use the Tresemme Smooth Heat Protectant in my hair. After application, I am just brushing through the product within my curls. So here I'm just showing you how I section my hair to blow dry it. I pull on my hair and I use the blow dryer to make it straight for me before I go in and use the brush as well as the blow dryer. So this is how I use the blow dryer along with my denim brush to make my hair even more straighter. So once I'm done completely drying my hair, I will unravel all these sections, do a detangle, and then I will begin to flat iron my hair into 4 sections. So I'm just changing cameras here. I noticed there was a glare in the mirror and I didn't like that. So right now I'm just working on the back side of my hair, detangling with my denim brush. and then I am flat ironing with it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the handle of that brush just to hold that hair because it's hot. So when it comes to flat ironing my hair, I go over it more than once, although you're not supposed to, but I like my hair to be super straight. So a lot of times if I miss a piece of my hair from the roots, I will go over again to just make sure that my hair is straight. So the crinkle in front of my hair, I did go back over with the flat iron. That was just calls from the clips. With flat ironing your hair, you just want to make sure that you're not leaving that flat iron on parts of your hair too long because you don't want your hair to burn off. At this point, I was just so through with flat ironing my hair, but I was just like, girl, you're almost finished. That's one thing I can say about having long hair is it's tiring. One, it's very, very, very tiring. So I can't even imagine a person who has thick, long hair, how long it takes for them to do their hair. Girl, this the last one. So happy, so happy. So I'm just coming through my hair right now, and it's giving shine. It's definitely giving shine. So overall, the Tresemme line was okay. It was cheap. I do want to try other things. If you can comment below other products that you may have tried for a silk press, I would love to try them. But overall, my hair, it feels soft and it's flowy. It doesn't feel dry at all. And this is all I have for my silk press. I hope you enjoyed this video and come back for the next one. Bye.